now we're getting out of the stadium. Let's get into our car and finish this mission off. Oh, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We got this.
I needed this bad. Finally got the goddamn trigger, man. Just need to break through. How? Push Maury's hard. Torture's not gonna work on this guy, so I need to get inside his head. The guilt is eating him up. I'll give him a couple of days.
Oh man, that was such an accident. Let's get to our hideout. Oh, talking about terrible driving, man.
Jackson, I did invite him. It's been so long. Are you sure you called the right number? Honey, your uncle's a different kind of person. It doesn't mean he doesn't love us.
Okay. Alright, you guys. This is where I'm gonna end this gameplay. Hope you enjoyed this video, and catch you next time.
Maurice was correct. We've gained access to the CTOS backdoor while the police were being distracted by you. Since we both win in this, we'll share what we have. That backdoor allows you some access to the CTOS network. I'm still working on something bigger. Give me time.
Alright, welcome back you guys to Watch Dogs. This is the continuation of the last video I did, so here's some more.
I hired a fixer to help me find the shooter. Jordy Chin. I was skeptical at first because the guy's eccentric. He's kind of motor mouth. He says something.
Okay, I guess we have to go to sleep.
Drive where?
Anywhere.
I don't want to go anywhere. I want to go to Pawnee.
Okay, you're the boss. We'll go to Pawnee.
I gotta say, sometimes I feel Ubisoft makes really sad stories sometimes. Like, why would they have to kill a little girl? It's not cool. She was so young.
Sick of remembering her that way. It's never a dream of her tiny face pressing the window when she knows I was coming over. Or that little wobbly dance she did. It's always the same nightmare.
I guess we gotta move on. Let's change his clothing. See what outfits we got. Spider tank. Let's wear spider tank.
I need to get my mind off things. Lucky for me, this city's full of distractions. And they can't hide from me.
Let's go find some criminals. Ooh,
I'll
money.
have to thank CTOS one day. Simple breach of their facial recognition software, and I've got access to everyone's personal details.
I'm gonna get his attention, okay? Okay, hold on.
No, hang on.
Hey, you hear me talking to you? Give me 5 minutes.
How you doing?
Come on.
Hey.
What, you gay or something?
All right.
Come back.
Okay. Talk about being mean. There he is.
Even up close, you're ugly.
That's not a nice thing to say to people. You know, just because she said it.
Oh, what is that?
That guy's out of control.
You wanted to? You wanted to?
I'm not gonna let him hurt anyone today. Simple trace of his call, and he's mine.
Hey, stop it.
Let's go stop some crime, even though I just committed one.
Alright. He's here somewhere. Just move carefully. Don't get spotted. Let the profiler do the work.
Now we got a
Trust me,
chick
the
right
woman
here.
he's after. This guy's close. I can feel it.
Hey, we need to talk.
There's nothing to talk about.
Talk about up to no good. He's even got the profile of a killer. Look at that
I'm not
coat.
done yet.
I gotta stop him now.
I'll scream.
That's enough.
Thanks.
You mind, punk? Talk about a takedown right there. Look at that. Let's put the gun away.
You won't bother anyone now.
Have we upgraded anything yet? Well, we're gonna have to break another window. Or we could have just waited. Let's try and no. This one. No? Okay. Alright. Let's try and do a mission.
Nikki, hey, I know, the party started.
It's almost over. Where are you?
I'm on my way.
You make me crazy. Jackson's really looking forward to it. Get over here. We miss you.
I miss you too. I'll be there. Sorry, Nick, I need to take this. I'll see you soon.
Good. You got out. Look, if you need some wheels, give me a call. I'll set you up.
Pre-owned cars?
You'd rather register yourself at a car dealer?
I don't ask questions. This guy gets me any ride I want, and you if you need it.
I suck at driving, you guys. Like seriously, I
How's
suck.
Maurice doing?
Oh, he's all sunshine and buttercups. I'm gonna dump him at my little dumping place.
I need him alive, Jordy.
Yeah, alive. Whatever.
Goes against your better nature, huh?
I'd pop him and be done, but hey, you pay me right, I'll keep him alive as long as you want. I do work for a paycheck.
Alright, you guys, we're gonna end the gameplay here. Hope you enjoyed this other small part. We're gonna continue on with this mission in the next gameplay. So peace and catch you next time.